What's up guys, it's Mike Seuss, and today we're going to install this insanely cool RGB light package to transform my Tesla's interior, giving it a nice ambient touch to the front and the back of my Tesla. You guys ready? Let's go. Alright guys, so before we start, I just want to thank my subscribers for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers. I'm super thankful for each and every single one of you guys. If you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome Tesla content, which will include reviews, installs, upgrades, news, travel vlogs, and informative Tesla content. I'm looking forward to taking you guys along. So if you guys have been watching my channel for some time now, you'd know that I already have a RGB light strip installed on my dashboard and my center console. However, since owning it, I've done some modifications to my dashboard that ruined the light strip. So I've been wanting to replace it and also do an upgrade. So today, not only am I going to reinstall the lights on my dashboard and center console, I'm also going to be installing them to the back seats and adding RGB lights to all of the footwells as well. All this with a new awesome kit by Nestor. If you guys haven't seen these light strips before, basically it's an optical fiber strip that installs to your dashboard, center console, and the rear of your front seats, which light up in sync over 16 million colors. The lights will be controlled wireless via Bluetooth on your smartphone via the free LED lamp app. You can have the lights in a consistent color or make them flash, jump, or even fade in and out between colors. There's even a music mode that allows the lights to dance in sync to your music. Since having the lights installed on my Tesla, I have to have them on every single night with my drive. It just gives a nice relaxing ambient vibe. So today I'm going to unbox, install, and show you the finished product. If you also have a Model 3 or Model Y and you're interested in picking up a set for your Tesla, you can get them right now via the link in the description. All right, let's get to work. Okay guys, so the installation is done, and the only thing to do now is show you the final result and how it works. So to get the light strips to work, simply push the button on the 12-volt adapter in the center console. This will activate the lights. Next, to change the color, brightness, and the pattern of the lights, you'll simply need to download the LED Lamp app, which is free on both Android and Apple App Store. You can turn the lights any color you want, change its brightness, make them strobe, blink, fade in and out, or even have them dance to any music you have playing in your Tesla. The lights are super bright and high quality. I like to leave mine static purple because I feel it gives it the best glow effect. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about these lights in the comments, and let me know if you'll be getting a set. I definitely recommend it if you want to customize your Tesla with something different and something really cool. So remember guys, if you do want these lights, you can get them right now via the link in the description, or you guys can visit accessoriesfortesla.com where you can find this set and more awesome other Tesla accessories for all Teslas. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this and more. Until next time, peace out.